Lord Star Foundation. Yay!
Overall, very impressed. Tulad ng mga ibang mga homeowners, siyempre apprehensive kasi napakalaking amount ang pinag-uusapan. Tapos siyempre kami, wala rin kaming idea. So very impressed na nangyari kasi in my part, wala masyado akong input. Kumbaga, binahala ko na sa kanila lahat, halos lahat. And nakita nyo naman sa mga nangyari. Sobra-sobra yung pagkaganda niya.
Expected mo na minsan na, 'di ba, iba yung expectation versus reality ng result. Pero ito, from the render, kung ano yung binigay sa amin na photo, na design, yun talaga. Pag tumingin ka sa labas, parang pinrint yung nirender sa amin. Tapos yun yung nakuha namin na outcome. So, amazing.
Super happy. No complaints, as in, not even 1%. Zero.
Every corner, yung pulido lahat. Wala kang makikita na pwede na yan. May times na ako hindi ko nakikita, sila architect, sila engineer, sila pa yung makakakita na may kailangan baguhin. So, sobra yung detail sa bawat corner na lumabas dito sa bahay.
Pero on my take, Art Cube as a whole is composed of a lot of like-minded individuals. Si architect has a vision, it trickles down to every single person. Si Engineer Danny has the same ideas, the same concept of being attentive to details. Mga maliliit na bagay, wala siyang pinakawalan. All the way down to the workers. They all want the same outcome and they all share the same idea and they all have the same objective.
I think like every day meron silang huddle na pinag-uusapan talaga nila lahat ng nangyayari during the process. So minsan may sasabihin kami kay architect lang, pero pagpasok ng workers, alam na rin nila yung nangyayari. So talagang wala kaming kailangan alalahanin kasi everything it's a well-oiled machine.
Ako nga nagugulat kasi minsan magbe-message lang kami sa sunod ng madaling araw. Tapos feeling mo parang ikaw lang yung kliyente. Pero nung kinento sa amin ng ibang bagay, may project dito, may project doon. Ang laki pala, ang dami ng trabaho. Pero never namin naramdaman na parang kapag pinabayaan kami or at any point sa ilang buwan na sila nagtrabaho dito na parang kinunangan kami na makausap.
Attention.
Or natanong.
Parang, kumbaga, minsan na-feel nga namin na kami lang yung kliyente nila kasi talagang kada reach out namin sa kanila, replyan agad, parang hindi natutulog. Grabe yung dedication talaga nila sa client nila. Facebook sa isang parang group ng Facebook about houses. Tapos sinearch lang namin yung portfolio, yung reviews, tapos nag-set up kami ng meeting with architect. And one meeting, sabi ko talaga, kasi ako yung nakipag-meeting, sabi ko talaga sa kanya, this is it, this is the one. At first meeting, alam mo na nandun talaga yung dedication nila, nandun yung passion nila, na iti-treat nila yung construction nyo as if it's their own. And yun talaga yung nangyari sa amin the whole process.
And not just them, pati yung mga workers. Every single person shares the same objective and shares the same vision. even the people working from the ground floor to the top floor to the painters all over, they're all the same. You can talk to them, you can ask them questions, same work ethic. You won't have to worry about anything. So, if we were to do it all over again, if I had the money, I'd do it again.
Gusto ko nga magpagawa ulit eh. Sana doon.
Oo nga. Hanap na ako pwede pagpapagawa.
Ulitin natin ulit with them.
Thank you.